So let's explore some more formatting tags. We have break tag. Break tag is a self-closing tag which is used to move the text or any element displayed on the web page and move that element or text to the next line. Break tag means if you want to write something in the next line, so you can use break tag. It will ignore the text in the same line, it will move the text to the next line. So let's see how does it. I have opened a paragraph tag and I will make the copy of this paragraph tag and I will paste over here and I will rename that file with break.html. So what I need to do, I want to remove these tags and I want to write some text like this. So let's read the result first. Now you just need to copy the path and just paste your path over here. So now you can see that we are having only one heading with one paragraph. So if I want to move this text part 1, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So this is just for example part 3 and part 4. If I organize my text like this, 4 parts, so what I need to do if I see the result, so every part is in the same paragraph. So it means there is no sequence. So if I want to put each text, part 1 in the next line, part 2 in the second line, and part 3 in the third line. So what I need to do, I just need to use break tag for that. So at the last of the line, I just need to use a break tag, br tag, and also with this line, and also in this line, and I also want to move the text to the next line. So what I need to do, I just want to write each part in the single line. So just I want to refresh the file and now you can see that each part is being displayed on a single line. The next tag we have is horizontal ruler tag, or it's also used as a tag as a HR tag, means it is also like a BR, a self-closing tag. So horizontal tag is used to separate two elements or two paragraphs, and we just put a line between them. So let's see how does it work. So for this I want to create a copy of this file, and I will paste the file and I will rename the file with HR or horizontal HR tag .html. So now you can see that HR page has been created, and now I want to make this workable. And now we have many paragraphs. We have 3 paragraphs, and I want to see the result first. Now copy the path and paste over here. So now you can see that each paragraph is been displayed. This is first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph. If I want to use HR tag, what I need to do, I just need to put HR, a self-closing tag like HR, and also here, and also here. So where, okay, now it's enough. So just make refresh, and now you can see that a line has been drawn between each paragraph. So it means it also indicates that this means to make each paragraph separate. So we can use HR tag, horizontal ruler, for this. The next tag we have bold tag. Bold tag, if you want to make the text strong or to just highlight some text, so we use bold tag for that. So we can simply use B tag. Okay, so let's see. For this example, I will make copy of this paragraph file and I will rename the file like bold.html. So I have so now we can make some text bold. If I want to make this text bold, I want to remove this text because we don't need for this file. Okay, so I want to make this lorem ipsum bold. So let's see first this bold file in our browser. So now you can see that if I want to highlight this this figure and also lorem ipsum as a bold or emphasize, so what I need to do, I just need to write the use bold tag for that, and I just want to remove, I just want to use / for that. It would automatically complete the tag. And also I want to make this 1500 as a bold. So what I need to do, I just need to press /, it will automatically complete this tag as a bold. So just I want to just make some indentation. So let's see how does it work in the web browser. So let's refresh. Now you can see that I have made this text bold and I have also made this text bold. So it means it has been highlighted